Hello, and welcome to my new series, English for Beginners. My name is Mark, and I'm very happy you are here. If you are listening to this, you are starting something new, and that's very brave of you. Maybe English feels difficult. Maybe English feels fast. Maybe you studied English before, but you forgot. That's okay. In this series, we will learn slow English. We will learn real English, and we will learn English step by step. Don't worry, you don't need a textbook. You do not need perfect grammar. You only need to listen and try. Let's begin. English is not hard because you are bad at languages. English feels different. English feels difficult because four things. Native speakers talk fast. Words connect together. English spelling is strange. Schools often teach grammar first. But don't worry, there is good news. You learned your first language by listening. You did not study grammar. You listened. You copied. You practiced. We will do the same thing here. So, in this series, each episode has easy listening, useful words, short practice, and of course, no pressure. You can listen while walking, listen while cooking, and also listen again tomorrow. Listening many times is good. Repeating is good. And also, really, making mistakes is actually good. So, here's the word of the day. Welcome. Listen again. Welcome. Welcome means that I am happy you are here. Some examples. Welcome to my house. Welcome to the class. Welcome to English. Repeat after me. Welcome. Welcome to English. Good. So, again, listen and repeat. Do not worry about your accent. I will speak, then you repeat. Hello, my name is Mark. Use your own name there, okay? Hello, my name is... Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Welcome. Welcome to English. Good job. Here is an important tip. Do not translate every word. You do not need to understand everything. You only need to understand the feeling. English understanding grows slowly, like a plant, not like a switch. Let's work on your confidence. Say this sentence out loud. I am learning English. One more time. Again. I am learning English. You are not bad at English. You are learning English. And that is powerful. Okay, guys. So, good job today. In the next episode, we will learn the English alphabet and sounds that confuse learners. Listen again if you want. Practice a little every day. Thank you for listening, and welcome to English.